Hello there, how can I help you?
Can I deposit both banknotes and coins into my bank account?
Yes, of course. You can deposit both banknotes and coins into your high street bank at Gale Street Post Office. You can deposit both old notes and new notes and bagged and loose coins as well.
All right, here are my notes and bagged coins for deposit.
All done, please wait for the deposit receipt.
Thank you. May I know, how long does it take for the deposit amount to reflect on my account?
The deposit is credited instantly into your account. You may also check the balance to confirm the deposit or check online.
All right, thank you for your kind information.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.